Alright, so getting right into this, seeing as how it is a super quick tutorial, you're going to need some fake insects. You can actually use any kind of toy for this, but I found these at the Dollar Tree for $1.25 each. Also some wall mount plaques, again at the Dollar Tree. Also, you're going to need gold paint, a glue gun, though you'll find later on that I actually prefer super glue, and white acrylic paint. Starting out the paint job, I'm going to be using a white paint, which is essentially the same idea as using a white base or primer for a colorful eyeshadow look. It's basically just going to make the color we're putting over top be that much more intense. Once you've got the base down, I actually did 2 layers of this, I believe, and I'm starting out with my gold acrylic paint next. And as tradition on my channel, all of these supplies I use can be found at your local dollar store, or specifically Dollar Tree is where I picked up all of these. And once I've got all my bugs painted, I'm letting them dry and moving on to the wall mount. For this, you're going to need black acrylic paint, or really any color that tickles your fancy. Though I'm only showing you how to make one of these, I've made 3. There's just really no point in me showing you all 3 because it's the exact same process. But once everything is dry, and again I put a few coats of each paint onto everything, letting dry in between of course. I'm gluing them to the wall mount, and this is where I'm mentioning again that though hot glue does dry really fast, I would definitely recommend something more like super glue instead, as it is a lot more sturdy, and it's definitely going to hold on quite a bit better, which is kind of just what sturdy means. Good job, Sarah. So, as you can see, I'm just putting them onto each place where I actually want them to be placed, because once you put any kind of hot glue or any kind of glue on there at all, it's going to be a lot more difficult to pretty much just place them where you want them. So definitely do that beforehand, find your exact placing, and then just put them on. I told you guys that this was a super simple, easy, and pretty cheap DIY, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and this actually looks so creepy up on the wall. So hope you guys enjoy it once again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!